Are you wasting your money on supplements? Hook. Imagine spending hundreds of dollars every year on supplements that might not even work. Scary, right? The supplement industry is worth over $40 billion in the US alone. But how much of it is science? And how much is just hype? In the next 5 minutes, we're uncovering the truth about supplements, what works, what doesn't, and what you need to know to avoid falling into clever marketing traps. Stick around because what you learn today could save your health and your wallet. Act 1. The problem. Let's start with a question. When was the last time you saw a supplement ad promising to transform your life, boost your energy, melt away fat, grow muscle faster? Sounds amazing, right? But here's the catch: most supplements are not FDA regulated. That means companies can slap impressive claims on a bottle with little proof they actually work. In fact, studies show that nearly 50% of Americans take supplements regularly, yet many have no idea if they're effective or even safe. Now, that's not just risky, it's downright dangerous. Are you unknowingly gambling with your health? Keep watching, because it's not all bad news. Some supplements do work, but only when you know what to look for. Pattern interrupt, humorous comment. Speaking of risks, if supplements really worked as advertised, wouldn't we all look like superheroes by now? Where's my six-pack? Oh wait, it's still under my pizza cravings. Act 2. The solution. Alright, let's separate fact from fiction. Here are 3 types of supplements you actually might need, depending on your lifestyle and diet. 1. Vitamin D. If you're spending most of your time indoors, hello, Netflix binge watchers, you're likely not getting enough sunlight. Vitamin D is essential for bone health, immunity, and mood regulation. But don't just grab the first bottle you see, ask your doctor to test your levels first. Too much of it can be harmful. Cliffhanger transition. Now, vitamin D might sound like a no-brainer, but what about the most hyped supplement of all, protein powder? Is it worth your money? 2. Protein powders. If you're struggling to meet your daily protein goals through Whole Foods, a high-quality protein powder can be a game-changer, especially for fitness enthusiasts. But here's the catch: not all protein powders are created equal. Some are loaded with sugar and artificial ingredients that could sabotage your health goals. Pro tip: look for ones with minimal ingredients and no added junk. Pattern interrupt, question. Now, if protein powders are supposed to help you get ripped, why do so many people still have noodle arms? Food for thought. 3. Omega-3s. Omega-3 fatty acids are vital for heart and brain health, but most of us don't eat enough fatty fish. A high-quality fish oil supplement can fill that gap. Just make sure it's tested for purity. Nobody wants mercury in their morning smoothie, right? Act 3. The call to action. So, do you need supplements to be healthy? Here's the truth: no pill, powder, or potion can replace a balanced diet, regular exercise, and good sleep. Supplements should supplement, not substitute. If you're considering one, do your homework, check for third-party testing, avoid flashy marketing, and always consult your doctor first. But here's the twist: not taking the right supplements when you actually need them can be just as risky as taking the wrong ones. The choice is yours, but now, you have the facts to make it wisely. Final cliffhanger. Before you go, there's one supplement nearly everyone is wasting their money on. Want to know what it is? Subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'll reveal it in my next video. Your health deserves the truth. Closing scene. Inspirational music fades in as bold text flashes. Knowledge is power. Health is priceless. See you next time on Wellness Edge.